Welcome back, Hot Wheel lovers. Hope we got some Mopar lovers out there, some Mopar fans. There we got the Hot Wheels Mopar 1 through 5 set. We're going to open up. Let's get started. First up, got a 68 Dodge Dart. Red with some blue and white stripes. That's pretty good little detail on it. It's a pretty car. Next, we got a 71 Dodge Challenger. It's white with red and blue stripes. It's a 71 Challenger. Next, we got a Dodge Challenger drift car. I don't know if that's black or is that a dark blue. Looks like a dark blue metallic from here. That's what it looks like. Also red, white, and blue stripes. Next, got a 15 Dodge Charger SRT. Looks like a gunmetal gray with flat black striping. Anyway, that's the Dodge Charger SRT. And then last, we got a Dodge Viper SRT 10 ACR. Anyway, that's the Hot Wheels Mopar collection 1 through 5. Hope you enjoyed the little review. Check out my other videos at 164 Scale Racing, please. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys later. Bye.